Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I was going through my comment section and I got one comment on one of the video that how can we close a file using Python. So I'll be making videos a video on it. So there are two ways that we can achieve it because I didn't actually understand the complete question. So I'll be making a script using two ways, and I'll be seeing if the person who has asked this question is getting his question answered or not. So please let me know, Anuj, if this video works for you. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and like my video if you like my content. And without wasting any time, let's continue with the Python script. So I'll be opening my idle. So what I have right now is I have two txt file on my desktop. One is file.txt and test.txt. So I'll be trying to close them using Python. So let me just write the code. So this is a simple one, like I want to open the file, so I'll be opening the file. So the name is test.txt. so once we open it, you can obviously print the content which the file is having. So when you do that, you can entirely print the file and then you can close the file. So this is one of the way that you can close the file, and I hoped that this was your question, but if it is, then let's see if it is working. So closing file, saving it. So let's run it. So first of all, if you see, test.txt has just one line, so it printed the content and then closed. So if you wanna see if it really did or not, so this line basically what it does is it opens the file for you, and this method close, it closes the file for you. So within these two steps, you can do anything, whatever you want with the file, but after you close the file, you cannot do anything. So that's what we mean by closing the file. So there is what I understood from your question, Anuj, but if you want to close those files which are already open, so that could be like I have opened my test.txt file and file.txt file. Both of these files are open, and using Python you want to close these two. So as you know, these both files are being opened through notepad. So what you can do is you can simply close the notepad, and when you do that, both these files should get closed. So how you can do that is you have a method system in your OS module. So you just have to do task kill, which is a command to kill, force mate source, and then the application name, which is notepad.exe. Save it, run it, and as you see, both these text files have been closed. So these are the two ways you can close the file. I didn't get what you were trying to ask, but if I fulfilled your requirement, please let me know. And if you have any other question, do let me know on the comment section. And thank you for asking this question. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.